Is that Santa's sleigh with Rudolph in it? People come in, elf action!
Start by pumping up your mocha brown balloon and tie a knot. Make a pinch twist. 3 large loop twists. This forms the cheeks and the snout. Make a 5 centimeter bubble, a small loop twist, a pinch twist, and another small loop twist. This forms his ears. Make a 5 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the first pinch twist that you made. Now pump up your white balloon and tie a knot. Tie the white balloon onto the cheek. Make a 5 centimeter bubble and tie it to the pinch twist of the ears, and make another 5 centimeter bubble and tie it back to the cheek. Cut off the rest and tie a knot. This forms the eyes. Now pump up your black balloon and tie a knot. Make a 3 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, a small loop twist, and a 3 centimeter bubble, and tie it to one of the ears. This makes his antlers. Now to make the other antler, repeat the same steps. Make a 3 centimeter bubble, a pinch twist, a small loop twist, and one more 3 centimeter bubble. And you can cut off the rest of the balloon and tie a knot. Now to give your Rudolph a little nose, take a small red scrap balloon and pump it up. And make a 2 centimeter bubble and tie a knot. Tie it to where his snout is and use the tail to tie it to the back of its head. Now pump up your second mocha brown balloon and tie a knot. Tie this mocha brown balloon onto the cheek behind the head. Now you have a Rudolph wand, but if you want to continue on to give him a body, make 4 5 centimeter bubbles. And tie the last 5 centimeter bubble you made to the first one. Now make 2 8 centimeter bubbles. This forms the front and the back of the body. You can cut off the rest of your mocha brown balloon and tie a knot. And the twisting part is done. Using a black marker, draw in its eyes. And Rudolph is complete.
Wow, the last one of our collection, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.